Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, and today I get to walk you through the all-new Sea Ray 260 SLX. And what's special about this SLX is this is the Surf Edition. So along with the SLX lineup, you have the option for IO, outboard, and now we have the Surf Edition. So we're going to walk you through the Surf Edition that we have here right now. So on the outside, the beautiful Sea Ray blue with the white accent on the side right here. You got the nice Sea Ray emblem right here on the hull side. We do have fender clips into here so you can hang fenders off the side of the boat. And then if you see up on top, we have the power tower. So we'll show you that once we get up there, but just a beautiful looking boat from the outside. And then let's take a look at the transom here. So you've got the nice swim platform here. This does come down into the water when the drive is all the way down. So you can stand on it, you can sit on it. It can help you get back up on the boat as well. You've got the nice sea decking up in here. And then down underneath to make this a Surf Edition, this is the Mercury. It's a 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower with the Bravo 4 props that spin. And obviously it's reversed, so it's able to surf. And then we also have the trim tabs on the side that you can control up in the boat to create that surf wave. So fun boat. Let's go into the interior and take a look at all the extra options. All right, welcome aboard the all-new 260 SLX Surf. So we're going to start with the back. So if you're hanging out with friends, family, it's a nice place to sit back here. That side over there on the port side does open up and there's a bunch of storage in there. And then on the back here, there's also a place where you can open that up and it is a cooler. So you can throw some ice in there and throw some drinks in there, which is really nice to have. We've got a couple cup holders. We've got our Fusion stereo right over here so you can make adjustments. And you also have some plugins for any of your devices. And then as we come into the boat, we have sea deck all the way through the walkway and into the cabin of the boat, and wraparound seating, which is really nice to have. You've got your engine hatch over here that opens up. I've got a place for a carry-on cooler underneath this seat, and then some storage on this side as well. Want to mention the tower. Like I mentioned before, it is an electric tower. There's just a couple buttons that you press and the boat or the tower will come down, and it actually articulates. So it comes down and it comes right here by the windshield and will cover you in maybe a cold day, or maybe it's a little bit rainy or misty out. It's kind of a cool place. And then if you have to go under a bridge or you have to put it in on a slip or a lift, that is really nice to have with just a pushable button. There is a really cool thing that you can turn on right here, and it projects the Sea Ray logo right here on the floor, which is kind of cool to have. And then the last thing up on the tower are the Fusion tower speakers. So those are one pair on each side. Those throw out your tunes nice and loud if you're looking for some surfing. And then in here is a well-appointed head. We've got a sink, and obviously we've got the toilet in there as well. So nice to have on a 26-foot boat. We've got two captain's chairs side by side with bolster seats. And then up at the helm, we've got two Simrad touch screens here, able to adjust the boat, adjust your surfing, a little bit of everything right here at the touch of your fingertips. So really nice, well-appointed, beautiful steering wheel. We've got the Fusion stereo system, so there are speakers throughout the boat, along with a subwoofer down here. So as far as your tunes go, you've got some really nice ability to crank them up. So up in the bow, I'm just stepping over this, but this is your bow filler cushion right here. This obviously can be taken out if you don't want it right there, and it's a nice walk. You can have a couple people sitting up into here. The SLX brings a lot of luxury to the brand, and you got the nice, just look of this. You got speakers that are hidden on both sides. You got cup holders here. You got places to plug in. So if you just want to sit up in the bow most of the day, it's a very comfortable place to be in this 260 Surf. So that is pretty much all we got for the 26 here. This is located here at our Rogers location. If you'd like to come take a look at it, you can either call us and set up an appointment or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. As always, please click the like button for these videos and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.